How to make no one can see your profile picture on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your profile picture on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these three lines in the top. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find this one, accounts, and then click privacy. And now all you need to do is just click last scene and then click this one, the last one here, and click done. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.